This one's a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called Square in Sum. And there's a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try it out before watching the video. A great way to learn JavaScript is to code with your own hands and to make your own mistakes. And the other great way to learn, I can't emphasize this enough, is with repeated practice. So subscribe to the channel and that way you're notified every time I post new content. So with that, let's get started. We're going to complete the square sum function so that it squares each number passed into it and then sums the results together. So here we would square all of these and then add them together. Okay, this is gonna be good. So we're gonna have two things. Numbers is gonna be an array, so we're gonna return our numbers eventually. So we're gonna do two things. We're gonna map them, and then from there we're gonna reduce. Okay, I'm gonna get these onto separate lines here so that it's kind of easier to see what all's going on here. Okay, so with mapping, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take each number and square it. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to have a reduced number. So I'm going to have a function here with a total and then the current number. And then what that's going to do is we'll eventually add those together. We'll start the total off at 0. Okay. So this is kind of like your starting value for the total. Reduce is kind of a weird one. You got to kind of get the hang of it here. But inside this function, what we'll do is let's return total plus in. Okay. So we're squaring each number in the array, and then we're reducing that to a singular value where we basically add it up. So let's test this out. All right, looking good. Great job, y'all.